3y subtract 2 divided by 7 equal 4. Denominator of 4 is 1. Both sides of the equation multiply by 7. 4 multiplied by 7 equal 28. 3y subtract 2. Adding 2. Adding 2 to both sides. 3y subtract 2 plus 2 equal 28 plus 2. 28 plus 2 equal 30. 3y is equal 30. Both sides divide by 3. Y equal 10. Y is equal 10. Y divide by 2. Subtract y divide by 4 equal 5. Denominator is 1. Now least common multiple of 2 and 4 is 4. Multiplying both sides by the least common multiple of 2 and 4. Multiplying both sides by 4. Least common multiple of the denominator. Multiplying both sides by the least common multiple of denominators. Multiplying both sides. Multiplying both sides. Y divided by 2 subtract y divided by 4 equal 5. Multiplying both sides by least common multiple of the denominators 2 and 4. Least common multiple of 2 and 4 is 4. Here y over 2. Y divided by 2 multiply by 4. Subtract y over 4 multiply by 4 equal 5 multiply by 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 times y, 2y. Subtract 4 and 4 cancel out. Y equal 5 times 4, 20. 2y subtract y, y. Y equal 20. P divided by 3 plus P divided by 3 equal 4. Denominators is 3. Here, now both sides multiply by 3. P over 3 multiply by 3 equal P. P over 3 multiply by 3. 3 and 3 cancel out P. 4 times 3 equal 12. P plus P 2P. Both sides divide by 2. P is equal 6. A over 5 plus 2A over 5 equal 6. Here denominators are equal. We can add these two terms. A plus 2A, 3A divided by 5 equal 6. Here denominator is 5. Both sides multiply by 5. Here 6 multiply by 5. 5 and 5 are cancelled out. 3A. 6 times 5, 30. Both sides divide by 3. A equal 10. Now we can decide is the answer is correct. We substitute these 10 to A. Here 10. 10 divided by 5 plus 2 times 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 2 times 10 20. 20 divided by 5 4. 2 plus 4 6. This is left hand side of the equation. Answer is 6. It is equal to right hand side. Then the answer is correct. 3p divided by 6 plus 1 equal 4. P is multiplied by 3 and divided by 6 and plus 1 equal 4. 1 is subtract from both sides. Here denominator is 5. 3p subtract 2p. P divided by 5 equal 6. P over 5 equal 6. Now, here denominator is 5. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 5. 6 times 5 equal 30. This P and P cancel out. P equal 30. Now, here least common multiple of the denominator is 50. Then multiplying the both sides of the equation by 50. M over 5 multiplied by 50 plus 2m over 3 multiplied by 50 equal 6. 15 divided by 5 3. 3m. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. 5 times 2 10. 10m equal 5. 16 divided by 50. 6 times 5 30. Remaining 3. 6 times 1 3. 6 plus 3 9. 13m equal 90. Both sides divide by 13. M equal 90 divided by 30. 6 and 12 over 30 is the answer. X over 2 plus x over 3 equal 10. The least common multiple of denominator is 6. X over 2 multiplied by 6 plus x over 3 multiplied by 6 equal 10 times 6. 2 times 3, 3x. 3 times 2, 2x equals 10 times 6, 60. 3 plus 2, 5. 5x equals 60. Both sides divide by 5. X equal 12. මේ ඊළඟ ගාන හැදුවයි පුතේ. m divide by 3 plus 2m divide by 5 equal here 22. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 15. M over 3 times 15 plus 2m over 5 multiplied by 15 equal 22 times 15. 3 times 5, 5m plus 5 times 3. 3 times 2, 6m equal 22 times 15. 5m plus 6m, 11m equal 22 times 15. 11m. Here it is not compulsory to multiply. Here both sides divide by 11 equal 22 times 15 divide by 11. 11 times 2. 2 times 15, 30. M equal 30. Here all of these terms inside the bracket. Then 1/3 is outside the bracket. Then we can multiplying 3. Here both sides of the equation are multiplied by 3. 2a over 3 subtract 3 equal 2 times 3 equal 6. Adding 3 to both sides. 2a over 3 subtract 3 plus 3 equal 6 plus 3 equal 9. 2a divided by 3. Then both sides multiply by 3. 9 times 3, 27. Both sides divide in 2. Both sides are divided by 2. A is equal 13.5. Now next question. M subtract 3 divide by 2 plus 1 equal 4. Here adding 1 to both sides. M subtract 3 divide by 2. M subtract 3 divide by 2 plus 1 equal 4. Subtracting 1. Subtracting 1 to both sides. M subtract 3 divide by 2 plus 1 subtract 1 equal 4 subtract 1 equal 3. Here multiplying both sides of the equation by 2. 3 times 2, 6. M subtract 3 equal 6. Adding 3 to both sides. M is equal 9. X plus 1. X plus 1 divide by 2 plus x over 3 equal 8. Least common multiple of the denominator is 6. Then multiplying both sides of the equation by 6. X over 3 multiplied by 6 equal 8 times 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal 3. 3 times x plus 1 plus x times 2, 2x. 8 times 6, 48. 3x plus 3 times 1, 3 plus 2x equal 48. 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 3 equal 48. Subtracting 3 from both sides. 5x plus 3 subtract 3 equal 48 subtract 3. 48 subtract 3 equal 45. 5x. Both sides divide by 5. X is equal 9. X is equal 9 is the answer. Then we can check is the answer correct. X is equal 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. 9 divided by 3, 3. 5 plus 3 equal 8. Y plus 1 divided by 2 plus y subtract 3 divided by 4 equal half. Least common multiple of the denominator is 4. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 4. Y plus 1 over 2 multiplied by 4 plus y subtract 3 over 4 is multiplied by 4 equal half is multiplied by 4. 2 times 2. 2 times y plus 1 plus 4 and 4 cancel out. Y subtract 3 equal 4 is divided by 2, 2. 2 times y 2, 1 plus 2 times 1, 2 plus y subtract 3 equal 2. 2y plus y 3y plus 2 plus negative 3. Here 2 is subtract from 3, 1, negative 1 is equal to 3y subtract 1. Adding 1 to both sides. 3y subtract 1 plus 1 equal 2 plus 1 is equal 3. 3y equal 3. Divide both sides of the equation is divided by 3. Y is equal 1. 1 is the answer. We substitute y is equal 1 to both sides. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 subtract 3. 1 subtract from 3. Negative 2 divided by 4. Negative half. 1 subtract half is equal half. It is equal to right. X plus 3 divide by 2 plus subtract x plus 1 divide by 3 equal to. Least common multiple of the equation is 6. X plus 3 over 2 multiplied by 6. Subtract x plus 1 over 3 multiplied by 6 equal 2 times 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 times x plus 3. Subtract 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 times x plus 1 equal 2 times 6, 2x. 3 times x, 3x plus 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 2 times x, 2x. Negative, positive, negative, 2 equal to x. 3x subtract 2x, x. 9 subtract 2, 7 equal to x. Subtracting 7 from both sides. 12 subtract 7 equal 5. X is equal 5. Substituting x is equal 5 for both sides. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 divided by 2, 4. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 divided by 3, 2. 4 subtract 2 is equal 2 is the answer. 5p divided by 6. Subtract 1 equal 4. P is multiplied by 5 and divide by 6 and subtract 1. Then adding 1 to both sides. 5p divided by 6. 5p divided by 6 subtract 1 plus 1 equal 4 plus 1. 5p divided by 6. Negative. Subtract 1 and plus 1 cancel out equal 4 plus 1, 5. Then both sides, multiplying both sides of the equation by 6. 5p divided by 6 multiplied by 6 equal 5 multiplied by 6. 6 and 6 cancel out. 5p equal equal 30. Both sides divide by 5. P is equal 6. 4x divide by 3 subtract 2 equal 6. 4 is multiplied by x is multiplied by 4 and divide by 3 and subtract 2 is equal 6. Here adding 2 to both sides. 4x divide by 3 subtract 2 plus 2 equal 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 equal 8. 4x divided by 3 equal 8. Both sides are multiplied by 3. 4x over 3 multiplied by 3 equal 8 is multiplied by 3. 3 and 3 are cancelled out. 4x equal 8 times 3 24, or we can write 8 times 3. Both sides multiply, divide by 4. X is equal 6 is the answer. Oh, here 8 times 3 divided by 4. 4, 8 is divided by 2. 2 times 3, 6. 2m divided by 7 plus 1 equal 5. M is multiplied by 2 and divided by 7 plus 1. Subtracting 1 to both sides. 2m divided by 7 plus 1 subtract 1 equal 5 subtract 1 is equal 4. 2m over 7 equal 4. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 7. 2m divided by 7 multiplied by 7 equal 4 times 7. 2m equal 28. Both sides divide by 2. m is equal 14. m is equal 14. Here adding 2 to both sides. Here subtract 2. Adding 2 to both sides. 4y 4y divide by 3 subtract 2 plus 2 equal 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 equal 9. 4y divide by 3. Here 4y multiply by 4 and divide by 3. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 3. 9 times 3 equal 27. 4y. Both sides divide by 4. Y is equal 4 times 6 24 and remaining 3. Here A is multiplied by 3 and divided by 5. Subtract 2. Adding 2 to both sides. Adding 2 to both sides. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 equal 9. 7 plus 2 equal 9. 3a divided by 5 equal 9. Then 3a divided by 5 multiplied by 5 equal 9 multiplied by 5. 5 and 5 cancel out. 3a equal 9 times 5 45. Both sides divide by 3. A is equal 15. Now we check the answer is correct. Is the answer correct? We substituting A is equal 15 to left hand side of the equation. 3 times 15 15. Divide by 5. Subtract 2. 5 times 3. 3 times 3. 9. Subtract 2 equals 7. It is equal to right hand side. Then the answer is correct. Answer is correct. X multiply by 3 and divide by 2. Subtract 1. Multiply by 4 is equal to 8. Then every terms inside the bracket are multiplied by 4. 4 times 3x over 2. Subtract 4 times 1 equal to 8. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6x. Subtract 4 equal to 8. Here subtract 4. Adding 4 to both sides. 6x subtract 4 plus 4 equal 12 plus 4. 4 and 4 cancel out. 6x equal 16.